We say that the IBM champions are experts and thought leaders around IBM products, offerings, and technology, and they are driven to share their knowledge and expertise to help others. IBM champions are often answering questions, creating content, running user groups and events, and helping others in the community to better understand the possibilities or investment in IBM offerings brings. In other words, they're the tip of the spear. IBM champions are the tip of the spear when it comes to spreading influence about our various products and services. They're the tip of the spear when it comes to sharing knowledge. They're the tip of the spear when it comes to creating content and leading groups, a whole lot more. Overall, they are all about helping others.
I found all of them really interesting personally. I love that it's not about how much expertise you have, like it is about how much you help other people gain their expertise and bridge that link and try and get other people involved. So Ricky, are you still involved with the university? Do you do anything to try and encourage other people into the industry?
Yeah, so I still work with the society, and I work a lot with Herb to try and get more people into it.
An IBM champion is not about being an expert today completely in a particular area. It's about promoting it. So if you can present at a conference, if that's your thing, that's certainly an opportunity to become a champion. But if you can't do presentations, you can certainly blog about things. If you're excited, right? And like I said, my love for computer science and what I do for a living keeps me excited about the field. And if you're excited about the field, then you're probably a champion, right?
I'm honored and privileged to be an IBM champion, and this is what I'm doing at the moment, is wandering around the internet telling people about mainframes, blogging and podcasting, and doing my day job of helping developers develop more quickly and safely on the mainframe. And that's me. Jim D suggested that I should, after all of these presentations that I've done in international DB2 user groups in IDUG, in Rotterdam and Malta and all these funky places, that I should put myself forward as an IBM champion. And to my surprise, I was accepted, and so it continues.